The Numbers app is an essential component of any VoIP service, unifying sourcing, activation, and management of DID resources across multiple providers. When you open the app, you'll see spare numbers for your account. Here you can buy local or toll-free numbers, or port numbers using the sophisticated porting tool that pre-validates number portability and makes it easy to upload all of your documentation. Click on the cog icon next to a number to set the caller ID, E911, prepend, or messaging settings for that number. You can also click on the checkbox next to the number to either delete it or move it to another account. Then you have the Numbers in Use tab. This shows you each number within your account and who or what they are assigned to, as well as the features that are enabled for that number. Again, you can click on the cog icon to set or change the caller ID, E911, prepend, or messaging settings.